hope you're doing well, because I am. Weather's not very good. It's raining today and it's not very pleasant. But I wanted to look at the Crease Line Kit. So I bought this, and I'll put in my descriptions where I bought it. Now, I think it was about $10. Don't think it was 20, I think it was about 10. And the way it works is you put the stencil on this stand. So one goes on this side. I think that, that one goes here. And this one goes on the other side, okay? You get 3 lots. So you get this fancy one. I like this fancy one. That one's nice. And you get this one. Just the plain one, just doing the crease. I'm going to take off my eye makeup and we'll have a look how it works, right? Not sure if it's going to work well, but we'll give it a go. Okay, so let's take off this eye makeup. And I've also got eyebrows. Okay. So we'll have a look at the eyebrow kit as well. So on the other side now. Kind of want to be really careful. Don't want to redo all of my makeup. Okay, so that looks like I did an okay job. Don't want it too perfect, but that's fine. Okay. Right, let that dry for a bit. And I've taken out my makeup brushes. What is this? Okay. Alright, so these are my makeup brushes. There's only a few. And let's see which one I'm going to try for this one. Might go with, I always like them on a bit of an angle, like that. And if we've got a fluffy one to blend, that one's not that fluffy. Should have thought of this beforehand. The one I want isn't here, but I think that one will just be, that'll do. Okay? All right. Now, I always like to start with a light colour underneath, right underneath there. So we'll go with a pale pink. No, I can't do it there. We'll do this here. Maybe take it right up to the eyebrow. Okay, so I've done one side. You can see that. And now we'll do the other side. Don't want this to take too long. Okay, so that's both sides. Now, let's grab this one. So this is the colour that I like. Use that one a lot. Okay. So, no, I didn't want that one. We're going to try this one, the one that's a bit on an angle. So we'll try it on this side first. And I never let's put on a little bit more. Not sure if you can see that. So that's what that does. So it helps you, and I think it's done quite a good job. And I'm not going to lie, I've done it before, and I think depending on which brush you use, you know, it can look like it's a good job or a bad job. So we'll do the other side. And put that down here. Just makes the job so much easier. Yep. So that's how that goes. Okay, so that's what that does. Now, if you wanted to change it a little bit, I'm going to do the next one in a black. That way you can see the difference. We'll see what that looks like. Okay, do it on this side. I can't use that, so I'm going to use it here. It looks a bit drag queenish for me, but you know. I think if you play around with it, and you just use these as a guide, because then you can blend it. Hey, look, I'm not a makeup artist here, so and you blend it in. It's not as easy as what they show you, but I think with eyeshadow, yeah, I think that's quite nice. Do the other side. Keep forgetting to swap. Okay, other side. See what it looks like. You just need to be really careful that you don't expect the guides to do all the work like what you've seen. But here's the thing. This is really good. If you don't want to spend any money, you can always use a spoon. See? That does the same thing. Right? Anyway. Oh, this silly thing. Okay, so if you've enjoyed watching that or not, hopefully you have enjoyed it. I do have an eyebrow one which I'll put up, and I'll probably put that up tomorrow. This one's taken a bit long, yeah, see what you think of the eyebrows. If you like learning about different things like this, little gimmicky things as well as face procedures, all DIY stuff, like and subscribe to my channel, because we'll have a lot of fun. Thank you. Bye.